today I want to talk about flush cutters. One of the uses is in model making, where you need to do very precise cuts. So basically it allows you to cut really close to the plastic, like so. And there's kind of different levels of quality. There are some that are more expensive and have different features like adjustable pieces here and there. Unfortunately, these are very delicate instruments, and then if you cut a wire that's too hard, for example, it can be destroyed. That happens with this one. And here we can see the damage happens when you cut a very hard wire. Recently I found a multi-tool that has a flush cutter as a main tool. This is originally intended for manicure purposes, but this illustrates that sometimes you can do precision work with these manicure tools. And one I want to emphasize is a similar one from Tweezerman, and I want to point out that this is really good for the most precision work, when you have to cut something very small and soft material. So these are intended for hangnails, but it really works for cutting plastic when you need to do something very small. For example, this is a 3D printed part. Sometimes in the process we have this stringiness or imperfections that need to be removed. So these tweezers are so precise that you can cut those very easily, and basically improve your part just by doing that precision work. Other pliers are not so good at doing this very fine type work. So these are sometimes a little pricey depending from where you find them. I bought like a 3-pack from eBay, and I think it's a good idea to have multiple, because you can use some for hangnails, and then a separate set for precision work. In some stores that sell hobby stuff, they have similar type of pliers, but I think they are more expensive, and these ones really do a good job. So I recommend it. I recommend to have several: one for nails, one for plastic precision work, and maybe an extra one in case you lose one of them. So I wanted to share one of these tools that are originally not intended for working with plastic, but they do the job very well. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.